It makes me very proud to drive a joystick-driven car, to be part of this complete process.
Well, in that car we actually studying different input devices for automated driving. So we are guessing that in the year 2035 about 10% of the vehicles will be autonomous, and that's exactly why we're developing different kinds of input devices.
With this demo car, we do the first step, an intermediate step, to learn a lot about the system behavior, about the electronic, about the software, about the mechanic for sure.
It takes a little bit of time to adapt because it's a completely different kind of driving compared to a steering wheel. Very interesting to see in what kind of short time we improved that system really amazingly.
We discuss different kind of input devices. The joystick is one possibility.
I have full control over the car. You can drive very precise.
We bring us to the next system level, to control such kind of complex systems.
The system works really well. I definitely can imagine that we see a system like this or something similar in the near future on the normal road cars.
There is a lot of safety in those systems, and then on top comes convenience, comfort, accuracy, precision, reliability, and that's exactly what we developed for.
At the end, we demonstrate one thing: we pioneer motion.